Welcome to Thadorobot, where technology meets automation.
This place runs 24/7, Pham, with 0 humans inside.
Each Thadorobot AMR senses its surroundings in real time.
No crashes, no mistakes, pure coordination. When low on power, they drive themselves to recharge.
Every pick, every move, Beam optimized by data. Obstacles? No problem. And Thadorobot AMRs instantly adapt.
Efficiency increased by over 300% with Thadorobot technology.
Every item tracked. Every second counted.
No manual counting needed anymore.
Even maintenance is handled by automation. It's a symphony of precision and intelligence. Every robot connected through the Thadorobot AI network.
As you can see, the neural data is flowing smoothly across the transparent interface. System overview.
Deliveries made Pham. No human hands involved. Task completed.
From warehouses to cities and yellow, Thadorobot technology is expanding. Thadorobot, connecting automation across the world.
Days at my did you think Ham is fact-wise? Imagine what this tech can do for our world.
Subscribe to see how Thadorobot is shaping the future.
Join Thadorobot, your window into the future of automation.